Meta has announced that it will now allow U.S. government agencies and contractors to utilize its open-source Llama AI model for specific national security applications. The company stated on Monday that it is collaborating with major tech firms, including Amazon, Microsoft, IBM, Lockheed Martin, and Oracle, to provide Llama access for government use. Under Meta's acceptable use policy, the latest Llama 3 model is restricted from being used for applications related to military warfare, nuclear industries, or espionage. However, Meta clarified that this new policy update allows the U.S. military to leverage Llama for tasks such as streamlining complex logistics and planning, tracking terrorist financing, and strengthening cyber defenses. Oracle has already started using Llama to synthesize maintenance documents to assist aircraft technicians with repairs, while Lockheed Martin is applying the model to generate code and perform data analysis. Meta had hinted at making Llama available to government agencies during its third-quarter earnings call. Recently, a report from Reuters revealed that Chinese researchers utilized Meta's earlier Llama 2 model to develop an AI system for China's military. In response, a Meta spokesperson dismissed the significance of the outdated model's involvement, emphasizing that China's trillion-dollar investments to surpass the U.S. in AI are more relevant. In its statement, Meta emphasized the importance of American dominance in AI, asserting that it is in the interest of both America and the wider democratic world for American open-source models to excel over those from China and other countries. Other tech companies are also supporting military applications. For example, The Intercept reported that U.S. Africa Command has procured Microsoft's cloud computing services, which offer access to OpenAI's tools. Similarly, Google DeepMind holds a cloud computing contract with the Israeli government. Welcome back to our channel AI Finds, where we explore the latest trends in AI and its use case. Let's dive in. The U.S. military processes massive amounts of data from various sources, including satellite imagery, drone footage, intelligence reports, and intercepted communications. Llama AI's language processing capabilities allow it to sift through vast quantities of unstructured data, drawing connections and producing actionable insights faster than traditional methods. With its ability to understand and contextualize human language, Llama can parse data, identify threats, and present summaries or reports, which is crucial in a field where rapid decision-making is often essential. By integrating Llama into intelligence analysis workflows, the military could automate tasks like summarizing intelligence reports, analyzing intercepted communications, and detecting patterns in data. For example, Llama could comb through intercepted communications for specific keywords or phrases associated with emerging threats, generating summaries for analysts to review. This automated capability can significantly reduce human workload, allowing intelligence officers to focus on more complex tasks that require human judgment. Llama AI's NLP capabilities could enhance the U.S. military's real-time threat detection by analyzing text-based intelligence across multiple platforms and sources. For instance, it can monitor social media, forums, and news outlets to track sentiments and identify potential threats. If unusual activity is detected in a certain region, such as a sudden spike in discussions about an imminent attack, Llama can provide instant alerts and summaries, enabling faster threat response. Furthermore, Llama AI can support the military's ability to monitor adversaries' activities online, including public statements, news reports, and strategic announcements. Its advanced data processing allows for a detailed analysis of trends and sentiment shifts, which could signal an impending threat. By consolidating real-time data from multiple sources, Llama can help military analysts maintain an updated and comprehensive view of the security landscape. Intelligence work involves numerous routine tasks, such as scanning reports, categorizing data, and summarizing documents. With Llama's natural language processing capabilities, these repetitive tasks can be automated, freeing up human analysts to focus on strategic tasks that require nuanced decision-making. For example, Llama can generate concise summaries from lengthy reports, helping analysts quickly grasp the essential points without reading through entire documents. It can also classify data, tag documents based on content, and extract relevant details from intelligence briefings. This kind of automation improves operational efficiency by enabling faster data processing and reducing the workload on personnel. Moreover, Llama's ability to understand context can aid in tasks like prioritizing information. It can identify which pieces of information are most critical, allowing analysts to focus their attention on high-priority items. In situations where time is of the essence, this could prove invaluable for decision-making. The U.S. military increasingly faces cybersecurity threats from state-sponsored actors and cyber terrorists. Llama AI can play a pivotal role in identifying, monitoring, and responding to these cyber threats. By analyzing network traffic and identifying anomalies, Llama can help detect potential breaches or phishing attacks before they escalate. Its pattern recognition capabilities make it particularly effective at identifying unusual activity within a network, such as communication patterns associated with data theft or hacking attempts. Llama can also assist in monitoring adversaries' digital footprints, analyzing their online behavior, and gathering intelligence from public sources to assess potential cyber threats. By processing large volumes of online communications, Llama can help identify the source and intention of specific cyber activities, giving the military a clearer understanding of the threat landscape. In addition to defense, Llama's NLP capabilities can support the U.S. military's efforts in information warfare. By monitoring and analyzing online propaganda, misinformation, or hostile narratives, Llama can detect and report disinformation campaigns targeting U.S. interests. This intelligence can be used to counteract propaganda, support allied nations, and protect public perception. In military operations, effective decision-making requires access to accurate, real-time information. Llama AI's data analysis and summarization capabilities provide military leaders with the insights they need to make informed strategic decisions. By aggregating data from multiple sources and generating predictive analyses, Llama can present potential outcomes and suggest optimal strategies based on historical data and current intelligence. For example, in a high-stakes situation where immediate decisions are required, Llama could rapidly synthesize relevant information about enemy movements, local terrain, supply chains, and regional political dynamics. Its ability to process vast data sets enables it to present commanders with a range of options and scenarios, which are invaluable in crisis management and strategic planning. Additionally, Llama can analyze past events and apply this knowledge to predict the most likely developments, giving leaders an advantage in anticipating adversarial actions. Llama AI could be used to enhance training programs by generating realistic, data-driven simulations for military exercises. These simulations could incorporate up-to-date intelligence data to create accurate representations of real-world scenarios. Llama's NLP abilities could create dynamic dialogues and interactions with simulated adversaries or civilians, improving soldiers' preparedness for various combat and operational environments. With Llama's integration, training simulations could reflect current geopolitical events and adversary strategies, preparing military personnel to respond effectively to modern threats. For instance, Llama could simulate the behavior of different threat actors based on real intelligence, allowing soldiers to practice responding to realistic and complex scenarios. Meta's Llama AI model holds significant potential for enhancing the U.S. military's national security efforts. From streamlining intelligence processing and monitoring online threats to supporting cybersecurity and improving decision-making, Llama offers versatile applications across multiple domains. By adopting Llama AI, the U.S. military could improve operational efficiency, increase situational awareness, and strengthen its defense capabilities, ultimately contributing to a more robust national security strategy. That is it for today's showdown. What do you think about Llama AI model for security purposes? Let us know in the comment below, and do not forget to subscribe our channel for latest trends.